Namaste. In this video, let's discuss how to download Tally Prime and install the same. First, search for Tally Prime, Tally Prime, download, Tally Prime, download. Here you can find Tally solutions. Download now, Tally Prime. Click on it. This one is without edit log, this with edit log. Here the difference is edit log captures the record of all the transaction whenever it got changes or modified. For internal control, it is a better one. And I'll download Tally Prime without edit log. I'll click on download. You'll see the three drop down list. I'll select new user. Here you can find downloading. Once the file downloaded, once the complete, here you can find out it has completed downloading. Click on it. Say yes. Now click on new install, install new and click on install. Here start Tally Prime. This is how you can download and install Tally Prime in your PC or laptop.